morning, friends. This is D. Venugopal from Banaras University. In the series, Let us learn LaTeX. This is the second lecture demonstration. It deals with obtaining and installing text system on a Windows operating system. Now, let us first open the web browser to see how to obtain text systems. Web browser, type www.tug.org. In the first lecture, we have learned that Tech Users Group is an organization which collects and maintains the various tech systems. This is the Tech Users Group website. Here on your right side, you see the software is written here. The first link is the C10. Okay, then here it is written TechLive, MacTech, ProTech and MikTech. TechLive, if you download it, you can install it in either Unix, Linux or Windows systems. If you want to install on a Macintosh computer like Apple, you have to download MacTech, and ProTech and MikTech are same one. MikTech has more packages, but ProTech has limited packages. So I will show you how to obtain ProTech and install it. Click on this link. It will open another window, and here see you can download the ProTech zip file. It is a single zip file, so click on it, and okay, this is the latest one. Okay, or this one, you can download anything. It is a self-exploding zip file. Click on it and save it to your computer. Okay, if you see here, it is started downloading, and it will take some time. Okay, after you download this zip file, double click it, and it is a self-exploding zip file, so it will automatically extract all the files to a separate folder. As I regularly conduct lectures, I distribute the ProTech system, so I have already downloaded it and kept it in a separate folder called ProTech DVD 2008. In this, these are the various folders available. Okay, doc, icons, install, lib, locale, Microsoft, and all these things. This LaTeX material, it was created by me for my students, and it contains many important documents or examples which I have created over the period. Now see it here. There is setup file. You have to double click it to install the system in your computer like this. Then you will see like this. Okay, manual. If you want to read the manual, open it. Then if you want to install it, click here, install. Okay, Tech Studio is a graphical user interface, GUI or IDE for tech. Okay, so the thing is, first, as my computer is already having tech system, first I have to uninstall it, otherwise it won't install it. So I am uninstalling it. Okay, yes, remove the system. So now the complete text system from my computer was removed. If you have not installed any text system, there is no need to perform this thing. However, the files are removed, but the directory is not yet removed by the from the system. So you have to remove it manually from your computer. Go to Windows, okay. In program files, it will be generally there. You see, there is one MikTeX 2.9 folder. You delete this one also. Okay. So I removed the folder also from here. Now I am ready to install the MikTeX system. Double click on the MikTeX. Oh, not single click only will do. Okay. So permission is asked. Give it the permission. Yes. Okay. It is there. So now accept the conditions and go next. It will ask for whether you need a basic mix system or complete mix system. Basic mix system will take only 15 minutes time to install it. Complete mix system will take at least 40 to 50 minutes to install on your system. So I choose basic mix system so that I can also show you some how to install the packages which were not installed during the MikTeX system and all these things. If you install complete MikTeX, there is no need to install further packages. All the packages which are available in the Protec CD will be installed to your system. So go next. Now here install MikTeX for anyone. Okay, you select that, it is default. Go next. And please note down this path. See program files MikTeX 2.9. Sometimes it may be program files x86 like that also. Okay. If you want to change it, you can browse it and change the system, but there is no need. Just go from where it wants to install. Go next. Okay. And preferred paper size and all these things. Install missing packages, ask me first. You keep it like this. Okay. Go next and start installing it. It starts installing. You see, as it will take some time to install it. After starting the installation, I will pause recording. So you will see only the final stages of installing. In the meantime, in the first lecture, I missed the name of the program which is equivalent to MetaPost. Its name is Asymptote. Name is Asymptote. and using this software you can create 3D diagrams also. In the later lectures I will show these drawings also. Another thing is, when Knuth wrote this program, he wrote this program using Pascal language. Therefore, there are inherently some disadvantages of using Pascal for creating the text system. Nowadays, because of the method followed by Knuth, the program is ported to other languages also, and also for every computer operating system that is available in the world. You see, started installing. Okay, while installing it looks like that. All the packages what are being installed, see, this is the asymptote is also being installed on the system. So Avantgarh, Babel for library and all these things, language related packages, this. Okay, German. BibTeX, it is for bidirection, it is for Urdu or Parsi like type systems for bidirectional typing. Okay, Bookman, it is a font system. See, these are the packages that were installed in our system, or the files. Say 240 packages are installed when you install it, the basic system only. Okay. Now our install is complete. Go next. Okay. Show the release notes if you want. There is no need. Just close it. No icon is installed on this system because just like C or Java or HTML, it is also a language. Now we have to install the Text Studio. There is no need to uninstall the present system. So just click on the install. It is very simple installation. Hardly it will take 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. Click yes. Okay, create desktop shortcut text files text studio session. Okay. The installation is complete. You can directly start text studio. Okay, finish it. So the text studio is starting. This is the IDE, integrated development environment, for tech and LaTeX related software or languages. Text Studio and Text System were correctly installed or not. Start a new file. Okay. Now type here \document class and in moustache brackets type article. Okay. Then again type \begin document. Okay. And end document. And in between this type something like hello world. Okay. I am using this because this is the standard for any language to test our skills for the first time. Then click on these two green arrows. Okay. It will show build and view. So it will compile the document like this. It will look